what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pair people up and we're gonna practice. There's two forms of practice. There's the CK12, so your skill level pool is 75%. Oh yeah.
For solving that, do you have to do it in 2 steps, or can you just multiply 867 by the number that they gave you?
You can definitely do it all in one step. So in one step it would look like this.
Yeah.
867 meters, like if you want to go across.
I did the 867 times the
Oh, damn it.
So is this what you had in mind? Do it. Well, you do it all in one step.
for the list, like I split up for the thing. It says what and to it,
Yeah.
and then I multiplied by 867. I got 24,293. And then I did the step and I divided it.
Yeah. Remember, multiplication and division, they're commutative. So you could either multiply first and then divide, or then multiply then divide.
Yeah, we don't have to break it down.
Yeah. Yep, that works. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the desks around so you're facing your partner. So we're gonna try something different today. All right. So I'd like you guys to face each other face to face. So you're gonna take your desks and have them face towards the partner. So like, for example, Ryan and Jason, if you want to work together, right? You put the two desks facing each other. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So then you have the two desks facing each other. All right. Simon, can you work with Angelina? Okay. And then, John, can you come up to the front and I'll put you together. Okay? Alright, so next we'll take your desk towards.
Zip.
Alright, so John, here. Alright. He's really in your group. Can everyone see on CK12 the conversions? Thanks. No? Okay, stop. All right. Wait, where's the paper? So we have an uneven amount of people. I can work with you one that way that I won't break it down, right? Okay. And then, all right. So do you want to do the example first? Or do you want to
We're doing
Yes, I do know. Because we were working on these problems on CK12.
We're on CK12, right?
correct.
Yes.
And it says conversions between molten gas volumes when I have it. All right.
Start practicing what you need.
Why did you wear lugs and shorts?
Slides in all this through.
Right now, Right?
Yeah, what's
So
that?
all
What's
I
that?
wore Uggs.
Aren't your feet When you're outside, when you're outside, your feet's gonna be sweaty with all this.
All right.
What is
What volume of neon gas? Okay.
It's also going to be 76.
So we're saying, we'll get this. It doesn't matter if it's neon gas or neon gas or hydrogen gas. How much is it?
It's so cloudy.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's also key set measures 6 centimeters per size of gas.
You're a star.
How many moles does it contain?
Okay. Here's my hint. Guys, we're gonna call it the cube, but get a hint.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Because it just like makes my score to head down.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, so I could just do it.
You can click get a hint. It won't change your skill level. Yeah. So, so do you guys remember how to find the volume of a cube?
1 gram of molten gas.
Like length times width times height. So that's why I want you to use the calculators here, right? So 6 times 6 times 6.
What does 1 mole of CO gas?
Yeah, you want to make it liters.
How many?
What's our answer?
So this is where, like, right, this is why I said you want your calculators, right?
I don't know what the multiplier is.
Right from milliliters to liters.
Yeah.
Wait, so you got 6 times 6 times 6?
That will get you the volume.
I don't know if that measures
Hold on.
cm per side is really the gas. I guess it's only.
Wait. Go ahead. Right.
Yes, you just do 22.
Right, but then that was the liters we had to convert to moles.
Right?
You had to use the.
Let's
I
try.
say
Not, you, times it by 24. Because we had those, we had 1 liters.
This thing got it.
It's not 134.
Okay. Dinitrogen. So do you guys remember in the that, dinitrogen?
How do you do a cube that measures from milliliters?
Milliliters to liters.
Maybe the
Okay.
area of atoms you actually said.
The area.
So then you have liters and you want,
Oh wait, that's square.
moles, right? So we're going from liters to moles.
I think it's easy.
I mean, you have to cancel out your liters.
All I had to
Think
do.
of, look at the example, is what you have actually.
I'm hungry.
You
Then-
love a
I
color.
love
I ate like
Try it.
75% of it.
I
By
love
by itself.
Okay.
I've been salt. Now we have on it.
Do you want some virgins?
Salt and lemon juice.
Right?
Oh, she loves my jeans.
Salt and lemon juice.
Salt and lemon juice.
One and
So you're using
Salt and lemon juice on avocados to make sure it's to prevent it from rotting.
No, we did.
Okay. So now let's see.
But sorry.
Right?
Salt.
You're not-
Yeah, it's
How do you restart when you get to
and you can also eat it.
You mean you want to increase your skill level?
I just want to restart it.
Yeah, it's just-
There might be a stop for now.
Well, yeah, but that's what
Ah.
you restart.
Oh my god. Okay, how do you do the cube that measures?
I also have a question.
About which question?
The mass of 300 liters of dinitrogen.
So that's where the formula sheet comes in. I remember that.
Mono means 2.
Yeah.
And mono means 1. My skill level is 4. But that doesn't help me.
So 22 point.
Then you have the periodic table.
Isn't it 24?
So ask Emma how to find the mass of N2.
She doesn't know we were stuck.
Stuff?
Yes.
Wait, isn't it 20? How do you do the cube that measures cm per side? 6 cm.
I'm gonna
So do I do for the side
for this theory.
times 4? So 6 times 4 gives you 24.
Length times width times height. So remember, cube, everything's even.
So 6 times 6 times 6.
And that's your milliliters.
Less.
Then you have to convert milliliters to liters. That's
Did you
what
get
you're
the
here.
answer?
Right.
So you have to divide that answer by 1,000.
I don't know how to do this, and I got this.
So 6 times.
All right.
Wait, so I got that.
So,
I got the math.
our-
So 216 divided by
step.
1,000.
N2O. Use the periodic table to find out how many grams are in N2. Right?
20.
Use the periodic table to find out how many grams.
Miss Perry
right?
said I got it
From
wrong.
there.
Think about the warm up.
Miss Perry said I got it wrong.
Yes, I got it wrong.
For
28.02.
Okay. Plus how many grams
32.
for one oxygen?
16.
15 point.
Yeah, we can round that up to 16.
Miss
So then N2O, right, dinitrogen monoxide, has a mass of that many grams. So this is what we did when we were learning about moles earlier, and we had that quiz on moles. Yeah, but it's been a while.
So 228.
It's not an option though.
So 44.02.
That's the mass of N2O in grams.
How did we do the cube question? The answer's in grams.
Yeah, because I got .216. and it said it was wrong.
Let's focus on the Q question.
Yeah.
Angelina and Phil, you're both on the Q question.
Yeah.
Okay, Tamir, so question are you on?
Well, I'm on the queue.
Wait, yeah.
Okay,
You're
I
up
found
first.
the action.
Because I
so for
did,
the Q,
What did I do?
you have length times width times height.
yeah, I did 6 times 6 times
6 times
6.
6, right?
And I got
And then-
216.
So that's 216 milliliters,
Yeah.
right? But our conversion only does liters.
Well, that's
Okay,
216.
so then that's, yeah, how to make
So
it
is it
liters.
point-
Remember King Henry? Move it to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that's 0.216 liters. That's the volume.
Mhm.
And now you want moles. So you need to use the
So is it
conversion.
0.216 over 24 over 22.4
Because, what do you want, moles or grams in your problem?
moles? Okay, so how do I do, what would be the mass of 300 liters of dinitrogen and monoxide? So it's 28.2 plus 16. I got 44.2.
So that question
It's
is,
00964. So I didn't have that. I didn't have that.
well, I'd say we'll finish the cube problem first.
I already got it wrong.
Wait,
Well, when you come back to it.
I'm on the cube problem now.
Can I go over the?
Okay, so on the board, I typed
Zero,
this.
zero, nine, six.
You have
Can I
that.
go to the
What the heck?
action?
Zero.
I got the grams of it.
So that's a two-stepper, right?
Yeah, so.
Okay. So they're saying 1 mole of, let's see what our givens are, what are your givens?
My skill level's at a solid like 10% right now.
But that's why we're gonna do the problems again, right?
So how
first
do you
time
do
it's
that,
probably not
Laura?
gonna-
Miss Perry, I did 216, or no, 224 times 1.
Which is 224.
Yeah, and then I just divided it by 216, because it's like this. So you have 2, so 0.216 over 2.4.
Oh my god, it keeps popping
Uh,
up on this question.
Yeah.
So I gotta do this, so I gotta,
You just gotta, well, X over 1 is just. So,
so 0.2,
so you just put off on that one too.
yeah, I did that yesterday, and it gave me like, oh wait, yeah.
Okay, I wrote it, okay.
0.216 divided by 2.
That, yeah.
Do you want me to say the whole number when I do the question?
Values around it.
So,
So like 0.01. Okay,
I'm not.
now,
Time my gloves, yes.
dinitrogen monoxide, look,
Should I put it on the
we're
Yeah, how
on
do I
this
do
problem.
because I got 44.02.
So the problem's not in front of me, I need you to tell me the givens. For the problem with dinitrogen monoxide.
How do you bring up your skill level? It won't let me restart.
So, what did they give you? 300 what?
Grams of liters of dinitrogen monoxide.
So, they give you this many liters, right?
And then dinitrogen monoxide is 44.023.
And they gave you the molar. Oh, yeah, we found it out. So then-
Methane gas.
1 mole
C.
of dinitrogen monoxide is
It's the largest number of moles.
30.
What's the largest number?
2 moles.
No.
I don't know.
What's the largest?
44. Yeah.
What did you?
Did you get it right?
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
Oh, it works. It doesn't matter.
What did you think?
Okay.
It was 600.
So now you have this conversion factor, and then you have one more conversion factor. That 1 mole
If I get it wrong, you won't know.
of dinitrogen monoxide is 22.4 liters, right?
Miss Perry, is there a way that you can use assignments in case I have to redo it?
So once you do the practice,
I got the technique, and now it says keep practicing, but my skill level's still.
so you can go back and restart
It
it.
won't let me restart it.
So if you were to X out of it and then go to classroom and click the link again,
Yeah. No.
It will let you,
Just says keep practicing, that's what we start.
I think you have to complete it first.
you might have to,
I did complete it already. It says I'm 121%.
alright, try, it might have you practice one or two more and then it'll bring up the skill level, because that's what I have to do.
You go with this.
Okay. Yeah. So here,
How do you do the volume occupied by 12.5 moles of nitrogen gas at STP is blank liters?
so that's a conversion asked to mirror, right? You're working to mirror.
I don't
Okay,
get it.
they give you moles and what do you want, right?
Or the same question, we don't know.
Okay.
So do I set up a
Think about,
That's an M2L.
think about the examples we did. What are your givens? Yeah.
So 12.5 and then
That's
one.
it.
So, gentlemen, ladies, on this question, because I know some people may have, right, if you're asking something else, I can't tell whether you did the question or whether you guessed and moved on, right? Want to stay persistent here. They,
No, I'm gonna take one for the team.
they gave you 300 liters.
Okay, what's your A?
These are the conversions,
I'm gonna pick C.
and you want, what do you want? Nanograms?
Which is A.
Yeah, massive.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to press A?
So you have to go from liters
That's 280.
to moles.
That question's gonna come back to me.
The road map, liters to moles to grams.
Wow.
Do one conversion at a time.
Or also like no.
What's the mass of 100 liters? Wait, are you on that question? What's the mass of 100 liters? Oh, I didn't have the
Liters. Alright,
The volume occupied by
It's making me
So,
feel more
one more time.
confident.
next lesson,
Yes.
It's 70.
okay?
It is 70. Told you. Boom shakalaka.
Right?
calculate the volume.
I'm just gonna submit it with the.
What, two?
So that means, so that means we're gonna have to do this again on Monday then, right?
I just can't get my skill up.
That should not even, oh, yeah, what's it?
It's gonna make me do a lesson. Somebody should ask that.
Alright, so I got that, and then what do you do? I got.
So then now, are you done with converted to moles? So now we wanted grams, right?
I don't even have.
No. I don't touch it.
Has everybody do this? Mine saying it's on 14 and 19.
I just went to look at that.
Wait, you used to be?
I was just making sure.
She said.
My skill level's still 4%. Yeah.
Does anybody do
No
this?
matter how much you keep practicing, it's not so what is this Barry?
Yeah,
So
it's
what-
5.
It'll go
If
back
I
one
gave
and
you
two,
guys
and you go
some
one.
conversions,
Oh, I didn't do that. Oh, wait.
My skill level
if I,
is solid.
what I'm gonna do is, how we're gonna end this lesson is, I'm gonna give you some conversions on paper, okay?
It's my skill level
You're so.
If I give this to you on paper first,
I can just do stop for now, right?
you can click stop for now, we'll go
I
back
have to
to
do another
it.
health lesson. Could I just submit it? Because I
Yeah.
100%.
But, right, we're not done with this lesson then, that's what this means, right? We're not done with this lesson, we're gonna bring our skill level up next time, so
He's
look.
right on last.
So,
I think it's
Okay.
70.
so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna, listen, this is part one of two. Here, Phil. Alright, we're gonna put the desk back as we close. I'm giving everybody this on paper, okay? Alright? So guys, we're gonna put the desk back, click stop for now. I may have to, we're gonna have to do this lesson, but I'm giving this to everybody on paper, you can put your name on
I
it.
got a 4% skill level.
So that means we're gonna have to do this again on Monday,
I got
right?
4% too.
Write your names on this.
I submitted.
We're gonna keep working on this.
What are we doing?
Write your name on this, put this in your folder. You wanna try to work on it now?
Wait, Miss Perry.
My skill level
Miss
was
Perry.
82.
For STP, the standard temperature set is at 100 degrees Celsius.
This is for extra. So standard temperature and pressure.
You're done already.
Do I need one of those?
Yeah. So Jonathan was put
Wait,
the
we're
back.
not first.
Who's our vehicle? You gotta turn that left.
Put your name on this folder. Simon.
That folder?
But the thing is, yeah.
Wait, just by that.
Alright.
Wait, Phil. Flush it out.
Jason, put your name on this.
Yeah, it was
Why
Put your name on this folder. What's it on?
Wait, are you taking?
Alright, we're gonna try again.
Hey,
Class.
Was it 300? Was it 300 in answer?
Alright.
Or
Guys,
280?
is this hard? Yes.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna spend another day on this. I'll see.
Wait, what was on?
How we were with here.
Okay, fine. You know what, that's